Managing the distribution of hair, fur, and feathers can be very challenging when you need precise control. Ornatrix for Cinema 4D provides an ability to warp the hair root positions, something very useful to have when modeling feathers or sparse fur. Here's how to do this. Open a scene with a character. Add Warp Roots modifier to the top of the Ornatrix stack. Warp Roots modifier requires texture coordinates, so make sure your base mesh is unwrapped or has good UVS. Before Warp Roots, add the Edit Guides modifier and rename it to Paint Channel. Next, in this Edit Guides modifier, go to the Channels tab, select Per Strand, and click Add Per Strand Channel to create a new channel for painting on strands. Name the new channel Warp and click OK. Then select it. Next, select the Ornatrix object, go to its settings, and enable the Display Strand Channel option for convenience. Then, return to Edit Guides and start painting your strands with lighter colors where you want to see more dense hair. In the Warp modifier, select your channel so it starts working and increase the strength parameter. You can always return to painting the map in Edit Guides modifier. If the effect behaves oddly, increase the resolution parameter to achieve the desired result. Note that painting lighter values will bunch the roots together. Painting darker values will spread them apart. Having this type of interactive control over hair distribution allows you to get the exact look with a few clicks. You are now ready to use root warping in your projects. Subscribe and join our Discord channel for news and more tutorials. See you in the next one.